Today we are going to solve question number 1 to question number 25 from the chapter redox reaction. Now, in first question, the oxidation of nickel is asked in NiCO4. So CO4 is a neutral ligand, therefore nickel here has 0 oxidation number. Similarly, for nitrogen in NH2OH, the oxidation number is -1. Answer is C. For question number 3, we know that fluorine has only one oxidation state, therefore the answer is fluorine, that is -1 oxidation state. For question number 4, the answer is -1. For question number 5, here the oxidation numbers of carbon in different compounds are asked. So if we determine the oxidation number, we have it is -4 in CH4, -2 in CH3Cl, 0 in CH2Cl2, +2 in CHCl3 and +4 in CCl4. So our answer is C, -4, -2, 0, +2, +4. Now question number 6. Here we have H3PO3. In H3PO3 is phosphorus acid. We have the +3 oxidation number of phosphorus. So our answer is B. Now question number 7. Here peroxide. We know in peroxide oxidation has -1 oxidation number. Therefore answer is A, -1. For question number 8. In this compound, we have to determine the oxidation number of platinum, which is +2, because Cl has -1, here 3 Cl are there, 1 minus sign is up here, therefore here -2 neutralized by +2 of platinum. So here answer is B, +2. Now for question number 9, the oxidation state of sulfur in H2SO5 is 8. This statement is wrong. There is a C, because in this 2 oxygen are get joined together as they are in peroxides. So for this oxygen -1, for this oxygen -1, for this oxygen -2, for this oxygen -2, for this oxygen -2. In this way there are -2, -2, -4, -6, -7 and -8 signs are there. To neutralize these -8, we have +1, +1 of these +2 and +6 of sulfur. It means the oxidation state of sulfur in this formula is +6 and statement is wrong. Now for question number 10, the answer is both osmium and ruthenium. For question number 11, in sodium amalgam, the oxidation number of sodium is 0. The answer is D. For question number 12, we have the equation H2Br2. We know for the elemental state of the compounds, oxidation number is 0. In this reaction, H2 has 0 oxidation number, Br2 has 0 oxidation number. But when reaction is completed, H has +1 and Br has -1. Therefore, we can say that the bromine, there is decrease in oxidation number of bromine, that is reduction, and increase in oxidation number of H hydrogen, so it is oxidation. So this reaction is a redox reaction. Now for question number 13, here the oxidation of sulfur in H2O3 is +2 and in S4 it is +2.5. Oxidation of sulfur is there and reduction of iodine is there. Now first calculate the N factor of S2O3. We can write 2 into 2 minus 2.5. So that will be 2 into 0.5. So N factor is 1. So equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight upon n factor, and if m is the molecular weight, then equivalent weight is also m. So our answer is A. That is, equivalent weight and molecular weights are the same. Now for question number 14, here we can say molecular mass of H3PO3 is 98. In first reaction only one ion is displaced, therefore equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight upon ion displaced, number of ion displaced. So 98 by 1, that is 98. In second reaction 2 ions are displaced, therefore 98 by 2, so it is 49. In third reaction 3 ions are displaced, so 98 upon 3, it is 32.67 whatever. So our answer is A, 98, 49, 32.6. For question number 15, we have the equation. We have to find out the coefficients, number of coefficients. So if we balance this reaction, the number will be 1, 14, 6, 2 and 7, and our answer is B. Now question number 16. Here the answer is D, where chromium has oxidation number plus 6, it has oxygen has -2 and chlorine has -1. So 2 chlorine are there, 2 oxygen are there. It means -4 and -2. The -6 are neutralized by +6 of chromium. Now question number 17. So answer is MnO4 is reduced and SO3 is oxidized. So check this by writing the equation MnO4 minus plus SO3 2 minus plus H plus. So if we consider the oxidation numbers, so sulfur, oxidation number of sulfur is increased from +4 to +6, and oxidation number of manganese is decreased. So it is manganese is reduced and sulfur is oxidized. So we can write MnO4 is reduced and SO3 minus 2 minus is oxidized. So answer is C. Now let's move towards question number 18. Here answer is C, FeCO5, because carbonyl is a